Today's our C program is to write and read operations on a file. Here file is a collection of related data. Here file is used to store the data permanently in the secondary storage devices of hard disk, pen drive, CD, DVD, Blu-ray disc. Okay. So now we are going to save the data permanently in the secondary storage devices by using a file. In that file, first we have to write in a file. After that we have to read from that file. So to write in a file, first you see we are going to see the program. This is the header file. Here file. Here now we have to create a file structure. This file is defined in stdio.h header file. It's a file pointer. Okay, it points to the file structure. Okay, whenever we give capital FILE, it's a reserved word or keyword or predefined word. Then whenever we give, one file structure will be created. This pointer is used to point to this file structure to write the data or content in a file. So by using this file pointer, it will act as a marker. Okay, here this pointer, file pointer, will point to this file structure. Now we can write in that file. The aim of the file to save or store permanently in the secondary storage devices of hard disk, pen drive, CD or DVD, whatever it is, we store in the secondary storage devices. You see here character C. To store the data, we use one character here. Now, whenever we write anything, first we write in the main memory. In the main memory, each storage location is called a buffer. Now, if we save, the data will transfer from main memory to the secondary memory. Okay. So, here we are going to enter the input data in our file. Okay. You see here, by using this file pointer, okay, it will act as a marker. Now we are going to open a file, and after open here the data structure, file structure is created. Now we open that file. Now we will give the file name. We can give our own file name, input.txt. Every file name will have the extension name. .c is the C program, .cpp is the C++, .java is the Java program, .py is the Python program, .asm is the assembly language program. Okay, every file name will have the extension. Okay, now with the file pointer we open the file. Okay, what's that file? Input.txt file. What we are going to do? Mode of operation is writing. Now we are going to write in that file. This W is the mode of operation of write operation. Now we are going to write in our file. Okay, so first we get a character from the keyboard. Now we store in the main memory. Then we put in the secondary storage device. Okay, after getting a character from the keyboard, okay, for example, if I give hi, first character is H. Now we are going to give the input data H. H is not equal to end of file. Okay, first HAI, after I, end of the file. If we won't give anything, that is the end of the file. For example, if I give the input hi, after HAI, after I, that is the end of the file. First H not equal to end of file. Yes. Now we are going to store that character in my secondary storage device as a file with the help of this file marker, file pointer. Okay, what we stored in the main memory, we store in the secondary memory. Okay, next A. I am going to give the data, input data as hi. First I have given H not equal to end of file. Yes, we stored in the file in the secondary storage device. After that A not equal to end of file. Yes, we put that character in the file in secondary storage device. Okay, what's my file name? Input.txt. Okay, A is not equal to end of file, that's why I stored in my file, that is stored in the secondary storage device. Next I, we get a character from keyboard. Okay, I not equal to end of file, yes, till end of file not equal to end of file, this loop will be iterated, while loop, till the condition is true, while loop will be iterated. I is not equal to end of file, yes, it is true. Now I is not equal to end of file, so we store in the file. Okay, with the help of file pointer F1, what we have taken here, F1, you can take any file pointer, F1, FP, F, anything. Okay, with the help of file pointer we store that in the secondary storage device. Okay, in the file. Next, after HAI, what is that? Nothing is there. I will click only enter. Hi, after hi, HAI, after I will click on enter. That is nothing but end of the file. End of file not equal to end of file, false. Whenever false, control will come out from the while loop. We close that file. With the help of file pointer, we close that file. First, we have to open the file. Okay, first we have to create a file with this file. After that, we open the file. Then we read the input. We print that input in a file. After that, we have to close. Create a file, open a file, read the data. We take the data and we put the data in the file. Then after that, we close that file. These are the file operations. Okay. Next, now the data is there in the secondary storage device. Okay. Now I am going to show on the screen, on the console, on the monitor. For that purpose, here we have to write printf displaying content of a file. Now I am going to display on the screen what is there. Now what I have given the data that is there in the secondary storage device in the form of file. Now I am going to display on the screen, on the monitor. Okay. Earlier that is there in the secondary storage device as a file only. But we are not able to see that file that is there in the secondary storage device as a file. But it is not visible. So for that purpose, okay, to display that output on the screen, we write displaying content of a file on the screen. First, we have to open the file with the help of file pointer. What's that file? Input.txt. What's the mode of operation? Now we are going to read that file. Okay. Earlier we wrote. First we have to write. After that only we can read. Unless we write, it's not possible to read the file. Okay. Now we are going to read. Mode of operation is read. Okay. Now we get a character. Okay. From that secondary storage with the help of file pointer. First, what I have given in my file? Hi. H is not equal to end of file. Yes. We have to keep that H in the C. Okay. Then we display on the screen character H. Next, while loop will be iterated till the completion of all the input. Okay. Next, A. Hi na I have given. First H not equal to end of file. We display that character. Next, A not equal to end of file, we keep that in C, then we print that C. Next, I not equal to end of file, yes, we keep that in C, then we print that character. Okay, I also I printed, I printed. After I have given enter only. Enter means nothing I have given. Okay, so that is the end of the file. Okay, at the end of the file, last character is the end of the file. End of the, after HAI, end of the file. I have given enter na? So that is the end of file. End of file not equal to end of file, false. We will come out, control will come out from this while loop. After that we have to close this file. Okay. To read also, we have to open the file with the file pointer or marker. After that we opening, we have to, mode of operation is reading. Next we get the character by character we get that from the secondary storage device with the help of file pointer. One by one we print. After that till end of the file we print. After that we have to close. In reading and writing we have to close the file. If I use many files, F close all. Okay. Now I close this. Okay. this is the program. Now we are going to see how to compile and execute a program. Now I compiled the program. You see here I got 0 errors and 0 warnings. Okay, now we compile. Now I am going to execute. Now I am going to execute or run a program. You see here, enter data in a file. Okay, now I am going to give hi. Okay, hi. You see here. Next we can give hello also. Hello, hi, hello. After that, if I want to close, Control Z, then we will come out from that. That is the end of the file. Okay, enter. You see here, displaying content of a file, hi and hello. You see here, enter data in a file, hi. You can give small or capital, hello. After that, at the end of the file is Control Z. You see here, displaying content of a file, hi and hello. Or we can give only hi. You see here, compile, then run the program. You see here, now I will give only hi. Hi. You see here, Control Z. This is the end of the file. You see here, HAI. At the end of the I, end of the EOF, capital EOF is defined in stdio.h header file. Okay. The last character is the after I. At the end of the character, last end of EOF, that is the end of the file. Okay, while loop will be iterated till the end of the file. Okay, this is the program. Now in this file, first we write, after that we read. Okay, like this we have to write and read operations on a file. Okay, thank you friends for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe.